For this example, we're going to use the factor theorem. The factor theorem tells me that if I have a factor in a polynomial, then when I evaluate the polynomial on that 0, I should get a remainder of 0. And evaluating that inside the polynomial, if I get a 0, that means the remainder is 0. Okay, so we're going to check if x minus 1 is a factor of this polynomial. The first step is, this is the first thing you do. First thing you do is you take the linear term, you take x minus 1, and you solve for x. So x is equal to 1. Now this number that you solved for, that's the one you're going to plug in into each x in your polynomial. So you'll end up with 1 squared plus 1 plus 1. This is your first term, which is x squared. This is your second term, which is x, and the plus 1. And you evaluate it. 1 squared is 1. Plus 1 plus 1, that'll give you 3. I did not get a 0, so if you don't get a 0, it is not a factor. Okay, let's do another example. For my second example, we're going to try and figure out if x plus 1 is a factor, if x plus 1 is a factor of x cubed plus 3x squared minus 33x minus 35. And question mark here, right? Because we don't know if it is. We're going to check. How do we know if it is? Well, first thing you do, take your linear term and you solve for x. So in this case, x is negative 1. So now this negative 1, we're going to plug in anywhere there's an x on this polynomial. So let's do that. This would be negative 1 cubed plus 3 times negative 1 squared minus 33 times negative 1 minus 35. And now we evaluate. Negative 1 cubed is negative 1. 3 times negative 1 squared is positive 3, because negative 1 squared is positive 1, and positive 1 times 3 is 3. 33 minus 33 times negative 1, that will give you positive 33 minus 35. Okay? Negative 1 plus 3, 2. 2 plus 33, 35. And 35 minus 35, 0. So x plus 1 is a factor of that polynomial. Okay? I hope you understood. Try these on your own. Have fun.